Hi, in this video today I will show you how to create Sitefinity CMS 12 using Sitefinity Project Manager tool. Okay, so now let's get started. And open the Sitefinity CMS Project Manager, and the current version is 12.2. Okay, so here the tool is very basically. So on the menu we have some option here. You click on create a new project here. So here this is a create new project wizard pop-up will be displaying, and here you select the location you want to be install the Sitefinity CMS on the PC. Okay, so here I will select another folder. I will open my computer and I will create a new folder, SF12 CMS. Okay, this one, and I will select that folder in the C drive, and I have the SF12 CMS. Okay, and I will provide the project name for this Sitefinity project. Okay, so I will name it SF12 demo. Okay, I will click on next button here to go to next step. Okay, so on this step you have to select the license you want to be installed to active the Sitefinity CMS. Okay, and here by default it will select already activated license, and it will select a license here. Yeah, it will list down all of the license you have, and here I'm using the enterprise version with trial, so I will select this one. If you already purchase a license for Sitefinity CMS 12, you can select new license here and following the step to activate it. Okay, because here I don't have it, so I will select the default option. I click on next button here. Okay, so after that, this is default confirm license pop-up will be displaying here. There are a lot of information here. Okay, open the admin object to add content or change setting. Okay, click on finish button here. Yeah, it is creating the project very fast. Okay, so after that, when the shortcode is unzipped to the folder, it will automatically start the project in localhost. Yeah, so here in the SF12 CMS folder has been created. All of the shortcode will be copied to this folder. Okay, very good. So now we need to wait some seconds to get the project started up. Okay, firstly we have to select the database you want to be installed, and here at this time the Sitefinity is support for Microsoft SQL Server Express, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, and also MySQL Server. Yeah, so here I minimize this one, and on my PC I have a Microsoft SQL Server management tool. Yeah, so now here I back to this one, and I will select the Microsoft SQL Server, provide the server and port, username, password, and database. Okay, I copy the server name, log into the SQL Server. Okay, I paste the server here. Username ESA 1 2 3 4. Okay, so database name here. I'm going to add the new database here. I have a SF12 CMS underscore data. Okay, I copy this name, and after that, for the post I will have it by default. Okay, continue. It is setting up a new project, and of course it could take several minutes to do the copying file and the configuration for the Sitefinity project. Okay, And the second step, you have to provide some the information. The first name, chien.vs@gmail.com. The password, re-enter the password. Okay. After that, click on I'm done button. It is creating some the table inside the SQL Server database, and also generate some the DOL or something like that for the shortcode. Okay. Yeah. So here the configuration for Sitefinity CMS has been done, and it will direct you to the dashboard of the Sitefinity. Okay. Cool. And on the top we have the menu, which contains some of the functions for the Sitefinity. A lot of things here, and I will do another video later on to talk about it. Okay. And here you can go to, this is the admin page of the Sitefinity. You can go to the front end page by click on the manage site. Okay, go to the site here, demo, or you can copy this one, open it in a new browser. Okay, yeah. So here there are the information. You see this screen because there are no page created yet. Okay, that means we have not created an admin page and we have no front end page. Okay. Close this one and back to the admin. Cool. So I will open the SQL Server. Open the database. We have a GNSF12 CMS database. Okay. Expand this one, and in the table we have a lot of default table created by the Sitefinity. Okay. Oh, a lot of things. Yeah, so we have a lot of table here. That's why we didn't take a long time to do the setup and configuration for the Sitefinity CMS on your PC. Okay, very good. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to use the Sitefinity CMS project manager tool to create new project for the Sitefinity for testing or learning or studying or something like that. Okay, I hope this video will have fun for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later. Thank you for watching.